Hello everybody, I'm just gonna get straight to the tutorial on how to fix your internet issues. Let's say you're having some problems with the internet, keeps disconnecting or the modem keeps crashing and you're having some difficulties with the browsing of the internet, and this is mainly due to the modem having some issues. This is a common effect with the common issue with the new fiber optic internet connection, where the modem is keeps getting errors and crashes of the data. Now, this is a courtesy of our research and development team with the Late Chef website and worldwide international recipes. So, where to get the software? Just come to our site, latechef.com, and scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see the link, courtesy. Click on the link. And here's the instructions how to actually use the software. But I'll give you a tutorial through it. So here's the download link. Click on the link. Make sure you save the file. It's a zip file. Open the folder. Cut the folder. And paste it at your C drive. I already have it here, but I'll replace it. Okay. Now, I cannot emphasize enough, please make sure you are saving this at your C drive. If you save it any other location than C drive, this software will not work. Now, next step is to extract. Once you extract the zip file, you'll see the folder right here. Now, click on the folder and send the desktop shortcut. You'll see it right at the desktop. So the next step is double click on the shortcut and you'll see the software will open up right here. I'll just pin it for now for easy of use. You'll see two LEDs here, online and network. The online LED is the condition that the software monitors the World Wide Web. Once the communication between World Wide Web and your PC is established correctly and browsing is well capable of, then it will be green. If there's some issues with your browsing, with your internet, then this will be red. The next one is the network LED. The network LED is the indication of the modem health. Now, if the modem is healthy, no data crashes, no issues with it, then it will be green. If there is some issues, let's say minor issues, it will be yellow. Now, it would be in a semi-working condition. Let's say there is some kind of minor data crash, but the modem is still able to deliver the data to your computer, but at a slower speed, it will be yellow. Now, if the modem is absolutely crashed and it's not able to deliver the data through the World Wide Web to your PC, then it will be red. So once the modem LED goes red, the network will obviously go red as well. Now, how to set up the software and make sure it's working correctly. Click on the settings and you'll see here default one selected, IP address, username and password. We'll get back to the default one, what that is, but now let's just make sure we have the correct IP address of the modem. So again, this IP address is the IP address of your modem. How to check? Go to the browser at the URL, enter the IP address, like so. So you can copy it and paste it here. So once you paste it here, you'll be prompted with the setup page for your modem. So yours may be different than mine depending upon the modem. Now, to make sure your modem is connecting well with the software, there might be a prompting of the username and password. If you are prompted with username and password in your modem settings, then you must enter them here in order for this software to be able to send and receive commands to your modem. Now, to make sure that it's not prompting any username and password, try to go into some settings and try to make some changes. If there is no prompt, then I would assume the modem does not require any username and password, but if it does, right here, this is where you will enter username and password. So once that's done, select default one, it will be selected by default, and press test. Press a couple of times and you'll see the black screens just flashing here and there. And this is because it's sending the remote commands to your modem to actually restart. It will force your modem to restart and clear all the data on it. Now, what I mean by data is like clear the cache and memory just to make sure that the modem is correctly functioning. Now, you will not be erasing any um, settings unless you make some incorrect scripting. Now, I'll get back to that in short moment. So, physically make sure you're looking at the modem and the modem is restarting. So, once you press the test, look at the modem, see if the LEDs they go out blank, and then they starting from scratch by turning on the power, then so on and so forth. Now, if it does not restart, select default 2 and then press test again. And now, monitor the modem again physically and make sure that the modem is restarting. If it does not restart again, now you need to do scripting a bit. Not too difficult, but this is where you will enter the script for the modem. Now, the script here for default one is sending a command such as restart, and for default 2 it's sending a command reboot. Now these two are eliminated because of default 1 and default 2 we've tested. Now do not send a command such as reset, because this may erase the information on your modem. So if you have a DSL modem, then you have a username and password for communicating with the server. Now that might be removed. Now make sure you enter just the restart command, right? Like rstart, for example. I'm not too sure what the particular one would be for your modem. Now to make sure you get the right command, try something like this. Go on Google and type remote restart modem command modem model number, and this is where you will enter your model number. If you cannot find it, I would strongly suggest you to actually contact the manufacturer of your modem and request them to tell you the command line to restart the modem remotely, such as Telnet. You can ask them like how to restart the modem through Telnet. Alright, so this is a key word, Telnet remote restart. So once you get that command, insert it here, the script, and test it again and make sure it's actually restarting. So once that's done, make sure the auto start is checked marked. So this will allow the software to automatically start monitoring the state of the internet and the modem conditions, and make sure that it's all functioning correctly. If it is not functioning correctly, then this will actually automatically fix and restart the modem if it has to. Now to make it fully automatic, now what you can do, you can take the copy of the shortcut and paste it at your startup folder. Now this is the folder where the Windows, every time it launches, it will actually monitor to see if there is any shortcuts to the software, and it will launch them automatically at the startup of the operating system. Now in a Windows 8, if you're using Windows 8 such as me, they do no longer have the startup folder in the start menu. Now to go into startup folder, now you will need to do one of these. So if you're gonna choose to enter the directory through this path, then you must enter your username and password. But if you choose to go with this way, then you don't have to enter the username and password. You can just paste it here. Now I just went with the first path and I put the username because I know about the username of the computer. This is the username not for the entering of the computer, but it is the username that was given to the computer at the installation point of time. You may or may not be aware of this. Now once this is done correctly as well, every time your computer restarts, it will automatically start the software. Auto start will start monitoring and fixing the communication between your modem and the internet behind your knowledge. So this way you won't have to bother with fixing or restarting the modem and doing any manual labor. Well, that's basically it. I would suggest you to, as a gratitude, to come on our website and use share the recipes with the rest of the world. And I wish you happy browsing and healthy eating and living. Thank you. Bye bye.